Hello, do you live in one of our neighborhoods that uses rollout carts? Today I would like to take the time to show you how to properly dispose of your waste.
I'm Glenn with Solid Waste Department and with the City of Odessa, and my job is to collect the garbage. And so like we have this can right here and the one behind me, we have a car parked. Our arm cannot reach either one of these cans. And so you have to be careful where you place the can or where you park if you want us to help avoid damaging your cars. And so there might be times when we might have to skip your can because it's blocked. We may not see it because of a vehicle's in the way or something else like that. And we may leave a tag on the can explaining why we may have skipped your can. So please observe the tags, and so then we can fix things and we can make sure that we can collect the garbage and get it out of your life. Also, let's make sure we don't stack anything around the can because it makes it hard for the arm to grab the can that way also. And make sure in all directions around the can, we have about 3 feet of free space because that's about what the arm really needs for us to be able to get to everything, to be able to pick it up. Your cardboard, we prefer that you take the cardboard to one of the recycling containers. But also if you're going to put cardboard in the can, please break it down and cut it up so that it will fit completely in the can. Otherwise it has a problem. Anything you might put in the can, make sure that if it sticks up, it's not taller than the lid, because then it may not go in. Same thing with anything that might stick out on the sides or in the front. Anything sticking out may end up damaging the truck or the lifting arm or your can itself. So we want to avoid damaging of anything. Make sure all bags are tied. Make sure everything is in a bag, including your lawn clippings. The grass creates a problem and can create a lot of messes if it's not in a bag.
Your cooperation will help keep the city clean and beautiful.